Ito ang opening remarks ko kay Xi Jinping. Kasi harap-harapan kami ng long table. I said, Mr. President, we would insist that that China Sea, or not the whole of it, but there is a part of the China Sea that belongs to the Philippines. And since I would want to, get savings instead of importing it from the exporting country, ako na I will dig my oil. I just want to let you know. Ito ang sagot ni Xi Jinping. I am afraid you cannot do that. Sabi ko, why, Mr. President? Diniretso ko na siya. I will get it from that portion of the Red China Sea that belongs to the Philippines. Sabi niya, please do not do it for the life of me. We are friends and I do not want to destroy that friendship. So, what is in your mind, Mr. President? Sabi niya, because it would be in trouble.